Welcome to my channel. Privacy is becoming more important than ever. Websites use cookies to track your activity, collect data, and sometimes even slow down your browsing experience. If you're using the Samsung Internet Browser and want to block all cookies for better privacy and security, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable cookies completely on Samsung Internet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have full control over your browser's privacy settings. Let's get started. First, open the Samsung Internet Browser on your device. Once you're inside the browser, tap the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines at the bottom right. From the options that appear, click Settings to access the browser's main controls. Now scroll down and look for Sites and Downloads. This section manages how websites interact with your browser. Tap on it, then select Site Permissions to proceed. Here you will see an option labeled Cookies. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with different settings. To completely stop websites from saving cookies, select Block All Cookies. This ensures that no website can store tracking data on your device. That's it. You have successfully blocked all cookies on the Samsung Internet Browser. This helps improve your privacy while browsing the web. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.